Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to shut down Windows 10 computer using keyboard shortcuts. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To shut down Windows 10 computer using keyboard shortcuts, press Windows key on your keyboard and press X. Now press U and again press U to shut down the computer. This is the easiest way to shut down Windows 10 computer using keyboard shortcuts. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.